Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like,
And I was able to check
rearranged
out
it to
3
my own
houses.
domain. Yeah, I
My
got what it
preference is the
takes.
3rd
Made lots of
house.
mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play.
Hey friends, welcome to another episode of Living in California. Today I'm getting breakfast from McDonald's. I will attend an online church service, after which I'll do some personal work. Good morning guys, today I'm in a hurry, so no proper outfit check. I'll just grab breakfast in a hurry before going to work. Guys, I want you to meet Patricia. We will call her Paddy. She is my new roommate and she's helping me to move my things from the hotel to the new house.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. Hello. A blend, that's right. In the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time.
Good morning babes, good morning bulls. I'm ready to go to work and this is what I have for my outfit check. I'll see you guys outside. Hey guys, done for today. Come with me to Dollar Tree to shop for a few things I'll be needing urgently in the house.
I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall.
Good morning babes, good morning bulls. Your girl is ready to go to work and this is what I have for outfit check. I'll see you guys outside. Hey guys, I just closed from work and I need to get to Target to do some grocery shopping, so come with me.
Time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn.
So guys, I just returned home and guess what? My landlady brought us clothing hangers and cooking pots. Like, wasn't you supposed to provide that in the first place? Anyways, let's make dinner. Hello guys, we just closed from work. Paddy and I are going to the store to get some things, so come with us. Good morning babes, good morning bulls. It's Friday today and guess what? It's a free day for me, which means I'm not going to work. So come with me, let's make breakfast together. Today I intend making pancakes for breakfast. Okay guys, baby girl is set to go out. I'm thinking of either stopping by a restaurant to have lunch and also walk, or I'll probably go to the park. Let's see what it turns out to be. The weather seems pretty nice today. It's sunny up there and it's about 75 degrees. Then yeah, I'm set to go out and this is just what I have on. And I'll see you guys outside. Oh my, My. I'm so loving the weather today, guys. Yeah, it's sunny and it's beautiful, and I'm glad I can enjoy this warm weather. I think right now I have a change of mind. Instead of going to the restaurant to sit down for work, I'm just going to go to the park so I can enjoy this beautiful weather. I mean, it's been cold since I've been to Pasadena. Today that it's sunny, guys, I gotta enjoy the weather. Yeah, so let's go to the park. Meanwhile, I need to show you guys this beautiful view. Can you see that? Wait, let me show you very well.
Never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I...
Alright guys, so time to head out to the store and grab some things. I hope I'm lucky to find the fish I'm looking for.
I hear him say,
As you see with this, I can go up, but I can't no more, so I just hold it. Okay. And that's how I train. Good morning, babes. Good morning, bulls. It's beach day today, which means we are going outside. Summertime. So come with me and let's prepare the snacks we're bringing to the beach together. Okay guys, so I'm ready now and set to head out to the beach. Here's what I have for my beach wear, and also I packed a swimsuit. Let's head out and go eat that sun on the beach.
even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain.
Guys, the sun has refused to come out, so our bikinis also have refused to come out, which means no summer body today. No. Yeah, we just finished having lunch and we're just taking a walk around the Manhattan beach area to look at the shops and also sightsee. So come along with us, guys.
Anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you it feels slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Yeah, we're back to Pasadena and we're visiting Super King Market to look for my fish. I'm craving fish, guys. I need a whole fish, not those fish fillet I've been seeing. Let's see if we are lucky. We're looking for tilapia. I found it right here. What are you doing? Jeez, they even have catfish. Oh my god, like a whole catfish. Gosh, I'm taking this for pepper soup. I don't know what nobody is telling me. Now that I've gotten the fishes, I'm craving catfish and okra soup for dinner.
Go, go.